Hello, welcome to Tech Transform. In this session, we are going to cover the topic called Python decorators. Python decorators are very useful. Let's say if you already created a function, this function you have already created and you are doing some stuff. Let's say you want to add some more functionality to the existing functions. So what are the options available you? Either you can write your new function, you can add the new functionality, then call that existing function, or you can simply go and add the new functionality inside the already created function. So in both the way you are going to modify the functions or create the functions, so and that's not the best practice to do that. So Python create a decorators. Python provide a decorators by using at operator. You can put an at operator on top of original function, and you can create decorator. Means if you can decorate your function. Let's see in the action how we can create decorator and how it is useful. I am opening Jupyter notebook, it's already running. Let's create one Python script file. I am giving a name as Decorator. Okay, so let's start with a very basic thing. How we pass function as an argument to the different function. Let's understand this. Let's say I want to create a function welcome. Okay, then inside this I will tell print I am welcome function. Let's create again inside this def, again function inside function. Let's say greet, then print text would be I am inside I am greet function inside welcome function. Okay, let's say I want to run this method welcome. What we got this as a this executed, but let's say we want to execute this also. So here what we have to do, we have to simply type greet, then so now it's both the function executed because we are executing here. In last method we haven't executed, we just declared that. Now let's say we want to access this function from outside the method. Can we do that? No, because its scope is inside welcome method only. Let's try to access that. No, it's telling that greet is not defined. So in order to access this function outside, we have to modify this function in such a way that it's going to return this greet. Okay, now let's say we can say greet func is equal to welcome. What this welcome is doing now, we are executing this welcome, means it is going to return this greet. Okay, now see what this greet is printing. We created an object of this function, we created a function, and see what it's returning. It's pointing to greet. Now execute this greet function. So this is just by using this syntax, without executing this using parenthesis, we can pass this function as an argument to another function also, and when we want to execute this, we'll simply execute this like this. See, it's executed. So this is called passing function as an argument to another function. Let's what we are going to do, we will first try to create manually create a decorator. So what we want to do, let's say I want to do new I want to create a new decorator. New def decorator. Here what I am doing, I'm trying to find, let's say first create a function. My def my func. Okay, my print I am my func. Okay, let's say I want to add something before this, something after this. I want to add something before this, I want to create something after this. So how we are going to create the decorator, how it is getting utilized using decorator. Let's say I want to decorate this function, or let's call this def decorate me. Okay, print I want to be decorated. What happened? Yeah, syntax. So this is the function we have just created. We want some code to be executed before this function. We want some code to be executed after this function. So let's see how we can, using decorator, we can do that. Let's create new decorator manually. New decorator, and we want to pass this function as a parameter. So we can pass this decorate me. We want to create another function called def wrap underscore func. What this is going to do, this is going to add some code before decorate underscore me function, then now call the function itself. Here what will type some code after decorate underscore me function. So this is what we are going to create, and let's return this. Return wrap func. So what we did, we are passing a method from our, we are passing this method as an argument to this new function. This function, what is doing, it's creating a new function inside this function, that is called wrap function. Inside wrap function, what we are doing, we are trying to execute some code before this method and some code after this method. So we are decorating this method in a wrapper method. So wrapper method, what it is doing, it's decorating with with extra functionality to this decorate underscore me function. Now let's want to run this. So how we can do this? we can type my, we can create object of the new underscore decorator, okay, or simple type this. I want to give a generic name, decorate original funk. So here simple original funk. Okay, now my new new underscore decorator. What we are passing here, we let's say I want to decorate this method. I will pass here tool v. Okay, let's assign to a one variable called decorated funk is equal to this. Okay, so what this function will actually do, this function is going to return this wrap function. This wrap function is nothing, it's wrapping two more code before the original function, after the original function. It's adding some functionality. So we have this wrap function in return type in assigned to this decorator function. Now let's try to, if you can execute right now, it will tell you the location. If you execute directly, if you not execute this, you can see you got this wrap function. To execute this, we have to use parenthesis. See, we got that. We are able to decorate our decorate underscore me function. Now we are able to decorate using new decorator manually. And see, this decorate me, what it is doing, only I want to be decorated, but using this new decorator function, we are able to decorate this decorate me, and now we have some code before that, some code after that. This I want to be decorated. So this what's the actual manually creating the decorator. We don't want to create every time manually. What we are doing here, we are just passing this decorate me and signing this. Instead of this, we can simply type, we can use @rate operator and then decorator name. Means we don't have to do this step every time. Simply put at the rate symbol, at the rate operator, and give the decorator name what you have created, decorator, enter, then copy this method again. So what it will do, this at the rate new decorator, if we want to decorate this method, we have to simply add on top of that at the rate of new decorator, and it will be execute like this. So, and if you don't want to decorate this function, we simply put a comment like this. So that's become an on-off switch whether we want to decorate this function or not. So now let's execute this and try to see what the output we are getting. So right now, see, we just executed this decorate underscore me because we got the decorated output, because we have executed this decorator on top of this. Now let's say in future I don't want to add this extra functionality. I will simply come here and put comment. So it's become on off switch whether I want to add functionality or not. Shift enter. Now run this again. Now see what I'm getting only this. If I again want to run it, just rerun it, I want this. So that's how this decorator work. We are able to decorate this function using this @decorator method. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.